So, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick video just on how to remove the sun visors. For this job you will need a T28 Torx screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a trim tool, a flat blade or a pick of some sort. So less talking, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to do this on the passenger side. Obviously the driver's side is going to be exactly the same. So just repeat the process for that. First of all, drop this down, unclip this. So for this removal, I'm going to use a radiator hose tool, but you can use a normal pick or a smallish flat blade. You'll see up here, I don't know how well you can see it, just in there's a little cutout, a little gap. So you get that under, like that. And then you just work it gently and it'll pop off. Obviously this is one-handed, so it's quite difficult, but you will then pop that off. That's the little cutout that I was talking about. And then that exposes the two screws. This one here is a Phillips, this one here is a Torx bit. And then this side, you'll see this rectangle cutout here, that stays in place, but the rest of the body here, this side and this side, this comes off. So again, just sounds a bit ferocious, but clip those two off like that, and then that will come off like that. See, no clips are broken. Sounds worse than it actually is. So put that there, and then same again, but this one is two Torx bits. So now using your T20 Torx bit, remove that and remove that. So once you've removed both of those, holding it with your other hand, obviously I'm having to hold the camera, you will then find it will just pull down and come out like that. Sometimes they can have a little hook on them on the end, so they kind of hook in, so you have to kind of just pull it down and then out. And then here, remove the one Phillips and the one Torx, obviously remembering and noting which way round they go. Then after that, simply pull that off, put it all together in a neat pile, and then there you go. You have now removed this. If you are thinking of painting this or wrapping it or anything, note that this area here, if you pull that way, so let's try and do this. So if you pull this way, it takes a bit of force and it does need moving around a little bit, but this whole shaft along the inside of here will pull out. So if you're planning on wrapping that, it'll make it a lot easier, and also you can then paint this off to show you guys. There you go. So you then pull that through. I've had this out before and look how tight it's gone back in, so don't worry about it not going back in and staying in, because all you do then is you just shuffle it around and then push it back in. So that's the end of this one, guys. Just a quick one, just to show you. I've had quite a few people say that they struggle or they don't know how to get these off. So I've made a video. So if you guys need anything else doing, comment in the comments box below, any video ideas or anything you need help with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.